welcome back to the channel. Today beside me we have a really exciting new arrival, which is our Elddis Whirlwind GT 150. So the Whirlwind is a brand new model in the Elddis range, exclusive to 2026. Gives you a fresh modern take on the previous AutoQuest 150 and lots of lovely new tech and features. So starting off at the front, we've got our grey metallic paint, very sharp looking. The Peugeot emblem at the front is new. You've got your gloss bumpers, you've got your LED daytime running headlights here as well. So we're built on the Peugeot. Now this model actually comes in automatic, which is again new, as previously you could only ever get the Elddis Peugeot on a manual. You've got your sleek decals along the side, 140 brake horsepower and 7.3 metres in length. It's 3.5 tonne as well, so you can drive it on your standard driving licence. We've got a new design on our brake and indicator lights at the back, so very smart looking. You can fit a bike rack there if you'd like to, and then you've got your reverse camera, so you are kitted out with your driving aids. The Whirlwind comes with your TV aerial. Your leisure battery is situated here with your hookup. Your toilet cassettes at this side as well, and your gas bottles are kept to the other side of the vehicle. Into the driver's seat then, we've got our upgraded steering wheel, we've got the Peugeot emblem here, you've got your voice recognition for your Bluetooth, your cruise control with your speed limiter, your fully automatic drive. Above that then is our reverse camera. It's actually built into the rear view mirror, which is very smart. You've got your Pioneer infotainment system there, so that includes your DAB radio, you've got your Bluetooth audio there as well, and your cab aircon. Stepping into the lounge, we've got a completely new vibe in here. So the upholstery is finished in grey. We've got our lovely scatter cushions. We have a new sleek design on our cupboards over the lounge as well, and they're finished in white. This makes up into a double bed as well, and you've also got a bit of storage under there. Your TV bracket for your lounge is placed here, and then you've got your panoramic sky view, which again is another new lovely feature to the Whirlwind. Into your kitchen then, you've got everything you need. You have your 3-ring gas burner, you have a separate grill and oven, you have an extendable worktop there as well. Now you actually do have a freestanding table for the front lounge, and that's tucked away in there whenever you're not using it. You've got your 230 volt sockets here, and then just behind the sink you've also got additional USB sockets. Our 3-way fridge is just behind the kitchen. Plenty of storage in there. But folks, if you are after a motorhome with plenty of floor space and that nice open plan feel, this is definitely the one for you. In my opinion, it's one of the most spacious motorhomes with this layout that I've ever been in. So our island bed is at the back. Now you can set that up for a daytime layout, or else you can pull it down, and you've got your wardrobes at each side. Your TV aerial's in there, you've got hanging rails, same at the other side. And then you've got your white cupboards at the back as well, which obviously ties in with the front lounge. And for your storage, all you have to do is lift up your bed, and you've got huge storage underneath there too. Alrighty, so into the bathroom. Our toilet is over to the left hand side. Now that swivels, so it does make use of the space well. And then you've got your shower there of course too. You have a little bit of storage up to the left for your toiletries. So folks, that was a quick walk through our Elddis GT Whirlwind 150 at a really competitive price point for a new vehicle and all the kit that you get. But come on down and see it for yourselves. We're based in Dromore in Northern Ireland. You can give us a call on 028 9269 3999, or you can shoot me across a wee email. It's charlotte@thompsonleisure.com.